thank you for the years. I thank you for the good times. As we go on together, I just want to say I'm glad you're here today. I thank you for the way you touched my life. Thank you for your love. It helps me through the hard times, oh yes. And the joy we share together gives me all I need to make it through the night. I thank you for holding my heart so tight. I thank you for the years. Thank you for the years. I thank you. It's been so wonderful. And through all the good and bad times, I just want to say I'm glad you're in my heart. Loving you was only just a start. Holding ours when we are down and hurting. Holding ours, precious things we have. We'll carry on together. Our love's the reason we are strong. As we grow together, I just want to say I'm glad you came my way. I thank you for the love you bring. You stayed. I love you now, and all I have to say is thank you for all the years. Thank you.
Wow. We should thank her for all of her years. Yelvin, she is amazing. I guess you gotta go home full. Sorry. Because that's how it is in Hawaii, right? We can keep going on and on. Thank you.